Hey, I'm Fish. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. The Ace Pro 2 can turn off HDR entirely if you go into the H264, you got it, codecs. It'll disable HDR. It is not available. Once you turn on HEVC, the H265 codec, then you have the option to choose HDR on or off. But how much people are saying is HDR on or off? So why can we not have that in the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro? Because we do not have an H264 codec. But this camera cannot show HEVC codecs on a Windows PC because you have to now download and pay for an extension. But did you know you can see the HEVC codecs in full on your computer? Yes, indeed. I tried VLC. I can see everything that this camera has, but I won't be able to see anything that this camera has in the thumbnail. So how true is the container on the DJI? So maybe I can show you that HDR is on and off, that I can show you that I can't see, you only see the pylons, and on this one, you see the actual thumbnail. So let me roll that video for you. I have to put a camera back here so I can shine over here to show all my work. I don't have to loosen my thumb bolt. I just simply grab my screen and adjust it to your height. I did not know that these had to be pressed in. I just learned that. Let me turn my camera on, allow the camera to set up. If I swipe over and I'm looking for HDR, H-log not supported in H264. So let me swipe down, swipe over, go to the cog, look for, I apologize, image setting, video codec, and change it to H265. And come here, swipe over, and show you now I'm able to turn on iLog. I want to get HDR off and on. And there it is. So let me do one thing here. Take a video. This is HEVC. Well, look at that little delay. Just a little bit, not much. Let me bring this all the way to the front, and I apologize for the unprofessionalism. Let me bring in the DJI. I have to adjust my screen down, the whole camera. Turn it on. Let me swipe down. Let me go to the cog. Let me look for HEVC codecs. Oh, I'm looking. I got bit rate, but I don't have anything that has HEVC at all. So let me get out of this and just simply do the, here you go. That's not much of a delay. That's much better than the other one. Now let me go to the computer and take these two and show you. Let's do DJI. Let's open up the door. Look at that bad boy. That don't stay. Let me open up this door. Look at that. I'm just showing you different sides of the camera. Now, I got the 3-second countdown. If I do that here, I won't get the 3-second countdown. So let me open up. You can see all my videos here. Here's the last one here. Bring it in. I don't have anything that says I'm HEVC. Let me get rid of this camera. I don't need it no more. Let me plug it in and show you that I got to click. I don't have a 3-second countdown. But the main thing here is you're looking at the screen. Give it a couple of seconds to get there. Now here I am. You can see all my existing videos. I did a vlog. These are LRVs. Please don't remove LRVs from your camera on here and think they're going to play on there. Here's the last one I just did. Look at that bad boy. Load it up. So this is H265. It will play in VLC, but you only see a pylon. This one is MP4. It will play. So let me go into my properties. Now let me see what it says, what I can read about it, details. I don't get much information off of it. I'm not even going to bother. So help me out to better understand if this is a true HEVC 265 Kodak. And help me better understand why this one don't show thumbnails. I'm just a little confused. So you tell me. I'm just trying to figure out why I can get HDR in the off and not be in the on position. DJI, you have anything to say about what Insta's doing? And Insta360, you think DJI could give us H264 to disable HDR? And on that note, I'm Fish. That's what I wanted to bring to the table so you can discuss and get some information so we all could better understand our cameras.